Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to B&L from the Northwest. Here is another episode of home cooking, of course, and we're gonna be making Cambodian Samlor Machu Kroeung. It's a beef stew with vegetable. Okay, so we are making Samlor Machu Kroeung with beef and with vegetable of eggplants, some celery, and anchoy. It's basically got morning glory. It's like a spinach. Alright, this type of soup, stew, we like to use beef. You can use any type of meat, like pork rib, beef ribs, whatever, chicken too, I guess. But we like it better with just some cheap meat, like chuck roast. Okay, the way we like to cut our meat is slightly thin. Not too thin. It's easy to cook. Get it done fast. Okay, y'all. We got here's a mountain of meat here, mountain of beef. Yeah, we're cooking for a family of 5. So. Good morning. Okay, now it's time to assemble the ingredients together, and we want to cook the meat first with the kroeung. Again, kroeung is a lemongrass mixed with alanga, lime leaf, garlic, turmeric powder. Blend them together. We usually, pound it together in one of those mortar pesto, I believe. Is that what they call it? Yeah. I'm not gonna get too detailed how we make the kroeung. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of chili powder to give it a little kick of spice. Alright, it smells so good already. I can't wait for this to get done. While we're waiting for the meat to be done cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the vegetable. And you can use different variety of vegetable on this soup. This one we like to use celery and eggplant, of course. And we're gonna go ahead later on added some morning glory. Okay, looks like the meat's just about to be done cooking, so we're gonna go ahead and add some water. So after we add the water, we're gonna go ahead and bring it to the boil. So when it's boiled up, we're gonna add all the vegetable into it, and that's the last step for the soup, and then ready to serve. Oh, this is the final product. Man, can't wait to put it in my mouth. Look at this. All the goodness.
That's what it looks like. After all and done.
Come here. Come here. What's that? What are you gonna eat now?
I don't want to eat.
I just got done with that.
Yum.
How is it, boo boo?
Oh yeah, I think you meant to be absolutely.
Oh, she doesn't want jalapenos. She wants a lot of this. She wants meat, celery, the soup. It's for Allie. She's. There we go. All right.
All right, time to try this out. I mean, I ate this like thousands of times, okay? But this is the first time I'm gonna be on a film. Never fail, y'all. Never fail. So delicious. Again, this is Cambodian Samlor Machu Kroeung, y'all. If you ever had a chance to eat this, trust me, it's gonna be 1000% satisfaction. So if your city have any Cambodian restaurant, go out there and give it a try. Cause every mom and pop shop out there gonna have the same similar cooking style. Okay, y'all, thanks for tuning in.
And the soup.
See you on the next video. Again, happy eating.